to the Felicity Bell channel. It's Fee here, and very warm welcome back if you are returning. We are gonna bond a little bit. I have this package here from Farfetch with a new purse that I just ordered. Just pretend like you don't know what it is. We're gonna open it up. So we're just gonna keep this experience just, you know, very casual. I sat down, started to open the box and realized like I was gonna have to figure out how to do a little bit of origami, and was like, okay, why not do this with my friends? You know what I mean? Just like you're sitting with your homegirl and you're like, girl, let me show you this thing I just got. You know what? Let me stop talking. Let's open this up. Ooh, oh my gosh, it is better than I expected. Wow. Yes, ma'am. I'm not sure if the color is truly coming through on the camera, but I am like, yes. I ordered the Marc Jacobs Tote Bag in the mesh design. I think this is just gonna hit this summer. Let's say you get this bag for yourself. You got on your all white fit, got your hot color, and then you just slap this on, bam. I just feel like this bag makes such a statement. It actually looks like a neon yellow, but on the tag it says neon green. So I don't know. Let me know. Comment down below if you're seeing neon yellow or if you're seeing neon green or if they're the same thing and I'm bugging. But it actually looks like neon yellow and not necessarily green. So I ended up placing an order for this bag on Farfetch. I couldn't find this color. I don't think I could find it on Saks, which is where I typically get all my bags, because I find some great sales on Saks, but I couldn't find this bag. I wanted it. I did not want to let the opportunity pass me again. I think out of all the 3 sizes, this is probably the most versatile, because I feel like you can fit a good amount in here. Like, I'm gonna see if I could fit a laptop in here, but it also comes with a strap. So if you wanted to go hands-free, you could just pop on the strap, right? And it's kind of a different vibe. Like, it's a little bit more casual. So I'm just kind of inspecting it. Like, I do like that it has this pocket inside. Like, if you needed to keep your documents or something, if you're traveling, like stick your passport, your wallet, your gum, your pads, whatever, you can put it in there. You know, it's a little bit of privacy. Super excited. Let's see. Like, I feel like I could even carry this with like the outfit that I got on right now. It's very like casual. It's a very casual bag. I feel like you can dress it up, dress it down. You've been worn this bag is going to make its way into many an outfit of the day on Instagram this summer, because I think this is just a summer bag. Like, this bag screams summer. So I would say this is a decent sized bag, but I was just curious if this could fit like a computer. So I'm using my MacBook. This is the 14-inch, I think. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It fits. It fit. Like, what? Even if you had a 16-inch, you could probably fit it in here because the sides can expand. Let me zip it up and see if it. Okay. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. So tell me why I can't bring this to work again. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it was very casual, almost like vlog style. Let me know if you like this type of unboxing, or if you would prefer something a little bit more structured and educational. I'm thinking about doing like an update maybe after a couple of weeks, maybe like the type of things that I bring in this bag, or like some options like how I would style this bag. Or maybe even like what fits in it, like how much can this actually fit. Just out of curiosity, we see that it can fit a 14-inch MacBook, so like I feel like the sky's the limit. But let me know how you guys enjoyed this video and what you guys want to see next. So let's chat in the comments below. Let me know, do you think this bag is green, or do you think this bag is yellow? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Like, how are we feeling about this bag? But if you are interested in getting this bag, or if you clicked on this video because you had the desire to get this bag too, go ahead and check out the links in the description bar. I will add some links so you can get one of your own if you are interested. And thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.